In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a mail.com account. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so first step is to come on over to mail.com. So open up a web browser and head on over to mail.com. From here, we're going to be taken to this page. Now we need to click on the sign up button on the top right hand corner of this page. Now we need to put in our first name, last name, date of birth, and click on to next. Now, once we've done that, we can go ahead and choose your email address. So I can use this one if I want, or we can go ahead and try your own idea. So if you want to have a custom email, go ahead and delete that and put in your own mail. I'm going to see if I can do this without a dot so I can check it. Now it looks like it's been taken, so I'm just going to leave that with a dot. That looks good, so check that, and that's all good. So I'm going to click next. Now we need to complete your entry, so Miss, Mr. or other, and then choose your location. I'm not in China, I'm in Australia. Click next. Now create a password, at least 8 characters, and then jot in a phone number and then click next. Then I am human, and then click on agree and continue. You might need to solve a captcha for this, so move the shopping cart to the pencil. There we go. And click agree and continue. All right, there we go. Registration successful. You'll be logged in automatically in 3 seconds. So I'm going to save that. So we can go ahead and click on activate your account. So almost done. Your new mailbox is already waiting for you. Simply click on the green button to activate your account and get started. And then after that, you're going to be taken to a new page. It's going to look similar to this. So this is your new mail.com dashboard, and you're going to be in your inbox folder. And you can see on the top right, you can click onto your account and play around with your account.